Hello friends, this is Dr. Lerine Fatima, and in today's video we are going to talk about the new endo file system. So without wasting any time, let's get started. This is how our new endo file system looks like. And now I am going to tell you about the steps which you have to follow using this file system. So the first step is that you have to prepare your access cavity and then explore the canal using a 15 number K file. If your canal is calcified or it is severely curved, then you have to start with a number 8 or a number 10K file. Then you can jump over to number 15K file. So by using the 15 number K file, you have to establish the working length using a radiograph. Always remember to irrigate the canal and recapitulate it whenever needed. The first file which we have here is the orifice opener, and this is used to widen the access cavity which you have prepared. And you must be wondering why this is shorter in length. This is because it is only used to widen your canal. The second file which we have here is the glide path file, and this file is used to establish the proper glide path. This file is white in color and it is available with a single ring. The single ring indicates that it is a 2% taper file. You have to establish a very smooth path using this glide path file till the apex. You have to use a speed of 200 rotations per minute with this file. You have to recapitulate and irrigate the canal whenever needed. These files have the same color coding which we have for the hand files. That means the white colored one indicates a 15 number file, the yellow one 20, and this is 25. Now you must be wondering what is the difference between this yellow file and this yellow file. The single ring which is present here indicates that this is present with a 4% taper, and the double ring indicates that it is present with a 6% taper. The taper only indicates the difference in the dimensions of these files. You can see that the file with the single ring is a little thinner, and the file with the double ring is little thicker. The speed which is prescribed for these files is you have to use a speed of 350 rotations per minute and a torque of 1.5. And for the glide path file, you have to use a speed of 200 rotations per minute and a torque of 1. We have to use these files with a gentle touch. We have to use the file in brushing motion. We have to passively take the file to the point of light resistance and then brush out through the canal. We have to repeat the procedure until the full working length is achieved. So to summarize the things, first for the normal canal you have to prepare the access cavity, you have to use a 15K file, then you have to use the glide path file, and then the 25 rotary files. After using the rotary files with 4% taper, you have to switch on to the files with 6% taper. If your canal is wide enough and your BMP is proper, then you can stop here, and you have to use the GP corresponding to this file. So I hope this video will give you some basic idea about rotary files, and trust me, you will love these new endo files. Stay tuned for the next video. Love you guys to pieces. Bye guys.